Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2026 Zero Electric XE off-road bicycle. This thing is fantastic. It's got a lot of great features. 65-mile range, 20 horsepower, 5-hour charge time. If you want to ride more, just swap the battery out in seconds. Tunable suspension, off-road tires. This thing is a beast. Come on by and make your Zero XE electric motorcycle dreams come true. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Oh, that thing's fast.